Hi, I'm Francesco Francio, Innovation Manager for 3, and I'm glad to tell the story about the ABB Open Innovation Program. In 2019, ABB, in partnership with 3, invited over 1,000 technology startup companies to take part in an Open Innovation Challenge. The challenge was to deliver a predictive maintenance solution for Industry 4.0, with a particular emphasis on health, safety, and positive environmental impact. We catch up here with one of the 3 finalists that have deployed the solution through collaboration with ABB over the last year. Hi Dominic, great to see you again. Could you tell us more about your company?
Hi Francesco, thank you for the intro. We as Neuron Soundware, we are a really young and unique Czech startup. And we have developed a powerful AI tool that opens new possibilities for predictive maintenance by using audio analysis to detect malfunctioning machinery.
Thanks, Dominic. Let's step back for a moment. What led you to join this challenge?
Well, to join this challenge has been a huge opportunity for Neuron Soundware. And as you know, ABB is an international giant in the technology space, and the opportunity to work alongside them on the development allows us access to a large market of machinery users looking for ways to keep their equipment running as easily and reliable as possible.
Well, you say that ABB is a big partner to collaborate with, but what are the features and the benefits of the idea you have developed?
To sum it a bit up, our technology uses a combination of AI and IoT technology to detect whether a machine is working properly based on the sound it makes. We use piezoelectric sensors mounted on the machine to collect data on its movements, and the AI afterwards compares these data against a standard model of the machine's movements to highlight any anomalies, which are then notified to the customer to allow them to take any necessary maintenance actions. And of course, for the users, the technology offers the benefits of having a non-intrusive way of continuously monitoring machine performance that can automatically identify any changes in performance and accurately pinpoint the affected components. Well, as you know, health of machines and safety are one of the most important factors for the industries interested in predictive maintenance. And we are really glad for having the chance to serve ABB with the innovative solution for Industry 4.0. So we are really looking forward for further collaboration with ABB and other customers with need of machine monitoring.
Thanks, Dominic. It was a pleasure to have you here today. I wish you good luck for the competition and see you very soon.
Thank you very much, Francesco.